Excuse me, sir. What have you done with the families, with the bird families?
I never saw something like this before. This is so hard.
I wanted them and they wanted me. The birds are calling.
You killed families.
Excuse me, sir. Where are you from?
Germany.
Typical Germany. You're a typical German. All the families are dead.
Excuse me, sir.
Leave me alone.
You have the power to do something like this, and now you have the power to be answers.
What are we going to do with this monster?
I can't understand you.
He never will come out of this cave.
Leave him here.
No,
Bleh.
I want to go home.
There's no home for you any longer.
Your home is here. In the pigeon cave.
The pigeon. What is a pigeon?
You are a pigeon killer.
Pigeon killer!
Pigeon killer!
Pigeon killer!
Pigeon killer!
Leave me alone.